It's a massacre!
Yo, right now, me feel like it's a massacre. I regret everything we him do. From him and Joshua Sumfest leading up to the Tamale clash. Yeah, man, me feel like say him a feel it right now. Him a feel the effect. I mistake. Yeah, man, real talk, bro.
This is Real Talk.
Real talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
When I see me I'm born today, I have a vibes, you know.
Yeah.
I want a Bridget, me go see. Me no know say Bridget and girl. Me no know Bridget. Me no know if I'm an artist or one girl. Me just see her and hear her up.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
When
Tamale, I have a question for you. Why is my name in your mouth? Why at the start of 2026, my name is in your mouth, bro?
Killer, you are no big man. This guys are you not live long. Stop fuck the girl them inna them body and blood up the sheet up a Hilton.
Yo, people, welcome back to the brand new channel. This is Real Talk, and I'm your host, DJ Dreadbeard. So it look like someone wake up and choose violence today because me just put the dots them together, you know. So Tamale do the interview and say, oh, the reason why him and Killer go at it because of one girl named Bridget. You see me? And Bridget found out. Bridget found out and say, yo, Tamale, stop calling up my name. You see me? And vybzkartel say, yo, Bounty Killer always bring the girl up a Hilton and a blood up the sheet and a dagger them in them rear and yo, so Bridget just found out. Bridget just found out and confirmed with vybzkartel that say years ago I chew, you know, bro. You see me, but people, before we talk about anything, you see Sean stamp on the screen and we are going to talk about the massacre. Me are going to talk about some massacre. Me feel like some massacre regret all of the moves them we make leading up to the clash and after the clash. You see me? But people, if you don't know say a real talk me I make, I want to type real talk in the comment section and like the video if a real talk me I make and subscribe to the channel if a real talk me I make. You see me? Alright, so I could talk about the massacre. Yo, come on, man. Yo, Massacre must regret everything that happened to him right now. Bro, a Massacre this way, him say him no mix or mingle and Massacre never in the media, none at all. Massacre have one of the easiest career since vybzkartel give him the infrared. I just smooth sailing. Like Massacre have the whole of dancehall on him side. The only people who did that this Massacre a vendetta, the alkaline man them. Sorry, the alkaline fans them. You see me? Yeah. I remember some Massacre have the casual dancehall fans and right now not even the casual dancehall fans they on Massacre side because the man go link boom boom. And the whole crowd, the crowd stand up on him. Look how Tamale tear up the stage when him go out for the first time and him all sing all Massacre distract them and him a get forward. Massacre could even try sing all the distract for Tamale because him done now feel the crowd already. So me I tell us right now some Massacre feel the effect. Like everything never go according to plan, which is the Gaza ship sinking and at one side time now and the new generation are king and bro, it's an actual goat that the man them bring on the stage, you know what that mean? The man them say, yo, the goat where you call yourself, the GOAT greatest of all time. You're not the greatest of all time, you're a goat like you're an animal. You're rank. You're rank for you try size up with vybzkartel. Yo, Jody, yo, bro. Massacre have one of the easiest career. Remember, so the man them call the man Mr. Consistent, you know. And the man them say, yo, him hit ratio. 100% hit ratio the man have no car. Everything the man drop hit and a them thing that the man have on him name, you know. And for see the man a go out with a L. Like right now we can call Massacre a gimmicks artist. I remember say Massacre did have it in him name for say. Him and a gimmicks artist, you know. Remember that, you know, Massacre could have beat him just and say alkaline them are the gimmicks man and thing, you know. Him never bust off a gimmicks, you know. But right now the man can stuck it by you and say, yo, you're all gimmicks man, bro. Go at all, dirty go the people them all say they go shit pan all them pants and Massacre drop and the man them push down Massacre and step up on all them face pan all the stage like Bro, you're not king, bro. You're not king, you're not good. The man them not rate you, bro. And you see me play it in the intro. It's a DJ Dreadbeard style that, you know, from over DJ Dreadbeard rock. Make you the story from in the intro. You see me? Don't look for that every day over here, so more reasoning. But when you see the intro, say, at the same youth, them a theme boy, them. When they in a wacky the video. From there, and the people are call me, and enough to join Benz, and try hardy. You see me? At the same video there, at the same youth, them from in the video there. So theme boys, them. You see me? But yo, we not stay long on the topic, like, who come from over DJ Dreadbeard React, and who says continuous reasoning. So when I get the full reasoning if you watch the 2 channel. You see me? Next topic now. Alright, make we talk about the Sean Stamp sit up on the screen. You see me? Before we talk about the Bridget. Bridget. We are going to hear what Bridget I say again. But yo, Sean Stamp. The man run off the whole of December 2025 and the man continue it over 2026. What it start off as a gimmicks. Remember they start off as a massacre diss, you know, bro. I know the massacre diss, like, it take time to take itself off of the trend and I turn in our itch scratch trend by itself. It's no longer a massacre diss. You see me? But massacre had get beaten left, right and center. I'll gimmick song a trend. Because of the beat when Massacre get. Yo, like every turn Massacre turn, he might regret, bro. He might regret this, bro. Me not have to ask. Massacre is not the man who do no gimmicks and no props on no stage. Massacre carried it comfortably. He never did have to do them something. No, Massacre bring goat on stage. You see me? And Siva, Sean Stamp are the one where I have things easy. He might have life easy. Everywhere I go, eat scratch, he might get peer. You see me? He might trend. He might make a whole heap of money off of the each scratch car. He might get appearance everywhere in Jamaica. He might get appearance. You see me? And you know those things are not for free. So big up Tommy Lee and big up Sean Stamp, Siva, the zombie.
I've never heard of this story that you told on The Fix. I've never experienced that story. So what are you talking about? You wave to me at Hilton? Bro, the only time I've ever been to Hilton is when I was shooting my music video.
Alright, so the girl named Bridget, she Tommy Lee attack, you see me? But she do something where she don't realize what she do. Cause she a chase clout, you know. Cause them a ask over Instagram if it makes sense what she a say, or people a ask her who she. So clearly she say the only time she there at Hilton when she a shoot a music video. So you can know say it was a trying artist where Bounty Killer try with, and Bounty Killer end up a beat it in the meantime. You see me? So when Tommy Lee up on the fix, Tommy Lee say, yo, the girl she caused the war between him and Bounty Killer. Zine? So the girl now forward out and I say, yo, Tommy Lee, what that your talk say? Like she forward out and I say, yo, Tommy. As the year start, you tell lie upon me. You see me? Yo, I don't know how my rhyme so easy, you know. But she say, yo, Tommy Lee, I will lie, I lie him a tell. But here what? It no matter if I lie, Tommy Lee I tell or what. Like I hear words against Tommy Lee at this point, you know why? You never forward out and say you don't know Bounty Killer. And if you did forward and say you don't know Bounty Killer, people would have run and say, hey, idiot girl, if you don't know Bounty Killer, that means say, Anna you them attack is a different Bridget. So she couldn't deny that she don't know Bounty Killer. Zine? So one, she know Bounty Killer. And two, Bounty Killer bring her a Hilton. And three, vybzkartel did a talk about say, yo, Bounty Killer bring the girl them a Hilton and blood up the sheet. So she, you know, come out and confirm. So where vybzkartel did a say, you know, and I only sang, you know, remember say vybzkartel as our man where, yo, remember say vybzkartel our man when him say certain things in a song, you know, either go so or it nearly go so, you know, bro. So she just confirm years later say, yo, a true vybzkartel I tell you, know. Because when you run out of tries, you know, when you run out and say, you run out and say, yeah, yo, I'm Bounty Killer did that, because you know, deny that, you know. Because remember, if you did deny that, people that run you and say, I know you, I must want next Bridget, I can't you. Because if you and Bounty not there, I can't you. See? So we get that out of the way, say she and Bounty did there. Bounty did a beat it. You see me? and Tamale say out a Hilton him call to it. So either a lie, you a tell say you never out a Hilton and you just run out for the clout. So you know Tamale. In the music business, people know you. As an artist and people know you say you're there with Bounty Killer. Outside of the public, the people them don't know you. Cause if you look in the comment section, everybody asks her who she. You see me a clout she a chase. So obviously people know say you're a Bounty Killer the day. You see me? So what you try to say is that particular day when Tamale is MC, you never remember that. You don't remember seeing the Tamale anchor. So what Tamale say, everything will cause the war and because of you or something else. Well, probably our next Bridget then, and you figure sit down. You see me? Probably a 2 Bridget Bounty Killer did a beat. Meanwhile, him a beat you. You see me? But the girl I confirm, because when we put the puzzles together, and vybzkartel says, stop bring the girl in my Hilton and blood up the sheet. And now Tamale say, him see you out of Hilton. The dots them a connect together say, well, vybzkartel, yo, Jano, yo, me say sometime when you sit down, you know, a clout your chase make you forward out. Yo, me say, when you just lucky, and my platform no bigger, you know. Because I think you just don't think Bounty Killer and put more credence to what vybzkartel did I saying about people. I eat this, you know. Yeah, I just then 3 topics them I don't want to talk about. And you know my style over This Is Real Talk. We now make it go past 12. It already there to 12. You see me? But yo, if you don't think a real talk, me I make by anyone I topic them, drop a real talk in a comment, like the video if a real talk, me I make, subscribe to the channel if a real talk, me I make. You see me? I want to see the arrow there. I point to the video there. Yeah, if you don't watch it yet, go and go watch it and build up the watch time and you see me, build up the channel. Support the channel. I'm out.
This is Real Talk.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.